Student, we will discuss the first topic of this chapter, chapter number 6, Central Government, Formation of Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is a lower house of Indian Parliament. It is the house of common people of Indian Parliament and it is the non-permanent house of Indian Parliament. The maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552. In initial stage of Lok Sabha, the strength of Lok Sabha is 500. But present time the strength of Lok Sabha member is 543. Out of these 543, 530 people are elected from the state and 13 members are elected from the union territories. The term of Lok Sabha is 5 years, but it can dissolve by a president on the advice of PM. In India, 9 times Lok Sabha dissolve, it's their term. There are 2 officers of Lok Sabha, Speaker and Deputy Speaker, and the member of Lok Sabha elected through a method, or this method is known as adult franchise and single voter system. At present time the number of member Lok Sabha is 543. Through state 530 members are elected and 13 members are elected from the union territory. If a person wants to become a member of Lok Sabha, he required 4 and 5 qualifications. Firstly, a student now will look at some qualification to become a member of Lok Sabha. Firstly, he should be a citizen of India. Second, he should be age of 25 and more, and he should not be hold office or profit under the state government and central government, and he should not be declared mentally disabled and he should not be declared mentally disabled and bankrupt by any court. Bankrupt means a person who can't pay their credit is known as bankrupt. In Hindi, in our language, we call Devalia. Bankrupt means Devalia, a person who can't pay their credit. Again, I recite the main qualification of member of Lok Sabha. Citizens, 25 years age. Government should not be hold any profitable job, state government and central government, and should not be mentally disabled and bankrupt. Now we discuss the major functions of Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. These are the 2 officers of Lok Sabha, and the main function of these speakers and deputy speaker, firstly they maintain law and order in Lok Sabha, maintain discipline in Lok Sabha. Secondly, they are the chief spokesperson, they headed all the meetings of Lok Sabha. Third, they presided the meetings of Lok Sabha. Fourth, they certified all money bills. Fifth, they link between president and parliament. They also decide all the working of Lok Sabha. They order to remove unethical word from the meeting of Lok Sabha. They also formed various committee and also appointed chairperson of these committee. In some circumstances, they also cast vote in Lok Sabha. Again, we discuss the main points of power and function of Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. He appoints the chairperson of various committee and forms also various committee. He is the principal spokesperson of the Lok Sabha. He presided the meeting of Lok Sabha, he headed all the meetings of Lok Sabha. He maintained the discipline in Lok Sabha, maintained the law and order in Lok Sabha. He allowed members to ask the question and they also give time for debate and discussions. He certified all the money bills. He acted as a link between president and parliament. He forms various committees in Lok Sabha, for example, health committee, pollution committee, education committee. He decides whether bill is money or not, or he cast vote in various circumstances, also declare the result. Student, we discuss the Lok Sabha, formation of Lok Sabha, a person become a member of Lok Sabha, what qualification he and she required, or we also discuss the power and function of Speaker and Deputy Speaker. You already know Lok Sabha is a lower house, non-permanent house. Maximum strength of Lok Sabha member is 552, or now the present time 543 members are elected for Lok Sabha. And if a person wanted to become a member of Lok Sabha, he should be citizen of India, he should be age 25 years, he should not hold any profitable job under the state government and central government. He should not be mentally disabled and bankrupt. We also discussed the major power and function of Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. For example, the main function of Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha is they headed all the meetings, they certified money bills. We have discussed lot of qualification, a lot of functions of Speaker and Deputy Speaker. Thank you, student.